From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and good evening, State College. I am student meteorologist Ryan Gold from the Campus Weather Service, and the big story today is snow, snow, and more snow. We had snow this afternoon in the form of a squall, and we're going to have more snow in the future due to a nor'easter pushing through. And once that nor'easter does push through, it's going to get really, really cold. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But in terms of temperatures across the state, State College here, 32 degrees. This is below normal from what we normally expect here in State College, which is around 34 degrees. And as we push out, not a whole lot of changes here. Philadelphia around 37, which is the highest we can see, and Bradford around 28, which is the lowest. Now, we don't have a lot of differences in terms of temperature here, but that's going to change once that storm pushes through, and we're going to get a lot colder here in Pennsylvania. But in terms of radar and satellite, like I said before, we did have that squall push through State College earlier this afternoon, and then if you expand out, we can see that that system, that nor'eastern system, is pushing on into our neck of the woods as well. But in terms of tonight, we won't be experiencing any precipitation, cloudy skies. If you want to get traveling for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, you're going to want to leave around tonight or even tomorrow morning, because the snow is not going to start until the afternoon tomorrow afternoon. And that's when you're going to want to get out there on the roads, because the roads are going to be not traversable easily. You're going to want to watch out for other cars. You're going to want to bundle up as well if you're out for a walk as well. But in terms of this storm, let's focus in how this is going to progress. Like I said, it's going to be starting around the afternoon on Saturday, but as we progress on and zoom in, you can see that mixing line is going to be dividing where we're going to see much of the snow, which is going to be above I-80 and below I-80 around the Laurel Highlands, Philadelphia, and Harrisburg. Not going to be receiving as much snow as, say, the North Central State College and even Bradford regions as well. And as we progress on, that Sunday afternoon is when the bulk of the storm is going to be gone. We'll just have a couple fringes of snow here and there, and a little bit of clouds as well. But as we continue on and zoom out, we can see another system pushing on through to us. Now that's not going to be as much snow. That's going to be mostly just rain. We might see a couple flurries here and there, a little bit of wintry mix as well, but the bulk of which will be rain. Now in terms of actual snowfall totals, like I said, much of south of I-80 will be experiencing not as much snow, as north of it, around even here in the southwestern regions and the southeastern regions will be receiving minimal amounts, but the north region is when you're going to want to see much of that snow. Now, in terms of the 7-day forecast, what can we expect? Well, like I said, Saturday and Sunday, that's when we're going to see that nor'easter push through, and that bitter cold of -6 degrees from Monday into Tuesday. Then it's going to warm up a little bit more, and we'll see a little bit above average on Wednesday with that rain system coming through, and we'll see a little bit of flurries on Thursday and a couple wintry mixes as well. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Ryan Gold.